the 2010 Toyota Corolla. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. With highway fuel economy of 34 miles per gallon, this vehicle won't drain your wallet at the pump. Top features include air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, an overhead console, and remote keyless entry. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control assures solid grip atop the road surface no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Are you ready to experience this vehicle for yourself? Call now and schedule a test drive.